horse is amazing, give it a lick.
It tastes just like raisins.
Have a stroke of its mane, it turns into a plane, and then it turns back again when you tug on its winky.
That's dirty.
Welcome back to the channel. So, really quick update on the combo. I finally tidied up the interior and got the radio working. When I put the dash in, I trapped the wire. Need I say any more? It's me, and yeah, I'm an idiot. I've also as well moved the boost gauge, as you can see, to the right hand side. It stops me from looking at it so much because it's kind of addicted to watching boost. Obviously I'm running different coilovers now and they're phenomenal. And I don't know if it's because I'm running 45 profile tyres at the moment rather than the 40s, but my god, it handles really well. I've tidied up the front end in terms of making everything fit, and I've now ran a cold air feed up. As you can tell, there's not a lot of room off a z20 engine in a combo or corsa to get some cold air in. So yeah, happy days. Big shout out to Matthew Fallon for donating me his aero lockable catches. Soon obviously I've got to cut the bonnet out anyway to get all of my cold air vents put in. But yeah, loving life. 100 miles done. I had a bit of a race yesterday with a 5 litre TVR. His shock and my shock was he floored it and I was expecting to get absolutely trashed from him. To his horror, I was in third gear and yeah, I passed him with ease. Really nice lad. Yeah, I think he ain't really seen anything like this, to be fair. What the bloody hell's in that old thing? So, if you ever want to do a conversion, by all means do it, but have a second vehicle. It's not something you can do overnight and get right first time. The first time out, I done 13 miles and broke down 3 times. Braided fuel lines, really recommend them. They made my life a lot easier. So yeah, a big thank you to you guys who have been helping me. I couldn't have ever done the conversion without you lot, especially Ian, and the support from everyone. It's the little ideas and the little hints and tips what really help. So if you want to talk, you know, or if you're interested in some of the mods and you want to do it yourself, hit me up and I'll try and talk to you the best I can on how to do it all. I keep getting asked as well, interior wise, it is a TT interior. Dash is just an old school leather dash what's been done. And yeah, there's a bit of flocking going on. More to be done in the interior, but you know what? It's a project. I've got other things on my mind to sort out rather than stuff like that at the minute. Also as well, big shout out to your plates. Reason why I done a naughty and got some for the Range Rover. You can actually see the colour difference now in the sun. Yeah, really nice plates. So hit them up, give them a message, mention Kevin010, you will get a discount. Really worth it. Really happy with them. So yeah, that's a quick walk around of the combo. I'm loving life. You know, was going to sell her when I got really pissed off with it, keep going wrong. But yeah, glad you guys convinced me to keep her. See you later.